Hello, my dear friends. Today we're going to make a delicious cake together. This cake is one of the best I've tried so far. I hope you make it too and enjoy its taste. First, we mix the flour, cocoa powder, and baking powder together and sift them 3 times. Then, we set aside our dry ingredients mixture. Now, we beat the eggs with sugar and vanilla on high speed for about 7 minutes. 1. The mixture is fluffy. We add the oil and milk and mix for a few seconds. Then we add the dry ingredients mixture in 2 stages to the rest of the ingredients and mix with a hand whisk until smooth. Finally, we add boiling water and mix the ingredients. Now, we pour the mixture into a tin greased with oil and tap the tin 3 times on the surface. Then, we place it in a preheated oven. After 45 minutes, we test the cake with a wooden skewer. If it comes out clean, we take it out and place it on a cooling rack to cool. Finally, we pour ganache over our cake.